I just pulled in a Maya here. He's going nuts. Manny's got one on too. We got a double.
Will I go it?
This is fishing. Oh, there it is. It's coming in. It's tiring him out. Keep them coming. It's a beauty. No, this is pretty good now. Oh, they were happy. There he is. Good job.